welcome back to my channel. This is Natasha, and of course I love tier tray decor. What about you? So if you love tier tray decor too, you are in the right place. If you love farmhouse, I have a fun DIY for you today. One of the top 5 questions I get asked this all the time is, where do you get your greenery for your tier tray? And I usually get some stuff from Hobby Lobby or Walmart or Michael's, but I have a fun DIY for you today to make some greenery that you can use on your tier tray or your displays year round. So stay all the way to the end, hit the subscribe button before we get started, and let's get going. Let's go. All right, now today's question of the day is, what is your style? Is it farmhouse, is it boho, or is it something else? Drop in the comments and let me know. Today's project is going to be super fast and super simple. So I picked up some greenery pieces from Walmart. These are basil picks is what they're called, basil picks. They're $1.97 at Walmart. You can probably find something super similar to this at Dollar Tree. So these are called basil picks, and I'm going to use those. I grabbed some craft floral foam balls. I'm not really sure which one I'm going to use yet, but I have 2 sizes. I have a number 3 ball that I got at Walmart, and I also got these little smaller balls at the Dollar Tree. And then I also have these little pots, clay pots that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to use those. And then I got some twine that I might use, and also some burlap that I might use. You're gonna also probably need some scissors as well. So let's get going. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to paint this pot black. Now you don't have to paint it black, but I think I want my pot to be black because a lot of the tier tray decor that I use, I find myself needing a lot of black accents just to balance things out. So that's what color I'm gonna use. While we're waiting for that to dry, I'm going to figure out what size ball I need. It's going to be too big. So not this one. Alright, so what I did was, what I ended up doing, I ended up taking this ball, and then I took a knife from the kitchen and I cut it in half. And I think that's going to give me the height that I want instead of that. Next, we're going to go ahead and stick the basil stems into the styrofoam ball and just go ahead and arrange them whatever way that you think looks best. So that works, but I don't like that it has all that white showing. So what I'm going to do is grab some moss and put it on the inside there to cover up that. Let me go see what I got in the back. Alright, so I went to Dollar Tree and I grabbed some Spanish moss at Dollar Tree. Spanish moss, and I'm gonna put this in here to see if it will kind of cover up some of those white spots that I had from the styrofoam ball. Oh my gosh, that's gonna get all over the place. Alright, so all you're going to do now is take pieces of the moss and insert it inside of the little pot into the spaces to cover up the white. And I use a little bit of hot glue just to secure my moss down a little bit so it wouldn't move around. One thing I will say is that you can use pretty much any type of stems that you can find, whether you find them at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree. even Dollar General. Just grab whatever kind of stem or greenery that you want to use for your display. So let's see how it looks on a tray. I love, love, love the contrast of greenery with that black and white sun. Greenery always elevates your designs or your displays. So if you wanted to make this look a little bit fancier without the black paint, you could, a couple different ideas for you are to get some burlap ribbon and wrap it around the pot, and then that'll look cute. You could take some jute like I have here and make a little bow and tie it around there. You could take some buffalo plaid ribbon and tie it around there. You could paint it in a faux distress kind of color. I mean, there's so many different ways you can do this. You can make multiple ones, or you could just make just the one and keep changing it out. But there's so many different ways you can tie this. I'm just gonna do a jute ribbon around here. All right, I'm just gonna tie this on, and as I'm doing it, I'm really loving the idea of maybe using a different ribbon for the season and changing it out. So maybe like a fall or summer or spring ribbon or anything like, or Christmas ribbon even. So let's just see how this looks on the tray. It looks so good. I love how it turned out. Let me know in the comments what you think about this project. It's going to be so versatile, and you can use it on your trays or your displays year round. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Make sure to subscribe to our page so you never miss out on a video, and see you guys next time.